Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail. I truly appreciate it. And if you are returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so I am back with yet another unboxing of the brown sugar box. If you've been watching my channel, you know I absolutely love this box. I have gotten rid of all of my other subscription boxes and I just want to stick with this one. I love it. So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of background about the box because I've done that in my June month unboxing. So I'll be sure to include that link down in the description box below if you want some historical information, or you can just simply Google. Just know that the owners are Izzy and Liv, and it is a black owned subscription box, which of course I absolutely love. I'm here for the support and I'm just going to continue supporting. They do have boxes for women, men, and children. So go ahead and check out their website. I'm sure you'll find something that you absolutely love. So let's go ahead and dive into this box. You know, the first thing that I always pull out is their monthly magazine. So let's see. This is their fashion forward edition, and some of the things you can find in here are bringing clarity to your relationships in the middle of a pandemic. That's probably super important and probably going to be a good read because I'm sure it's been a challenge for some. Fall 2020 color trend. 5 ways getting dressed can improve your mood. Absolutely, I agree with that. I get somewhat dressed every day just to go nowhere. And me getting dressed is just putting on some workout clothes. I just feel good. 4 outfits you can make from brown sugar boxes. And then a playlist, fall for your type. I always like to just skim through, see if anything stands out. Ooh, I can see all the goodies that's going to be in my box on the very first page. And they do include descriptions as well as prices along with those items. Oh, good. Look at the, ooh. So I do like the 4 outfits you can make from a brown sugar box. So they kind of put some of their the things that they've actually had in their boxes and create cute outfits. And then I love this page because it highlights all the people that are repping the brown sugar box in their brown sugar box gear. I think that's super cute and cool. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this box. So look here. I used to be an avid hat wearer. I mean, I used to love hats so much. I don't wear them as much as I used to, although I feel like maybe I should just get back into them. But they included this super cute hat, y'all, and let me tell you, anyone that knows me knows that this is my absolute favorite color. This blue right here just, it ignites me. Oh, I love this color so much. And look at that. Unapologetic. That is so me. So cute, y'all. I think I might put this on correctly and wear it the remainder of the video. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Take out this little paper. I'm going to adjust it to my head. Is that possible? Yes, it is adjustable, I think. Let's see. Uh-oh, I may be doing it wrong. There we go. And it was a little tight because I got this wig on. I don't really have a, uh-oh, nope, don't do that. Don't want to do that. It's not a whole lot of slack. So if you have a bigger head than me, I don't know how that's going to work. It's not a whole lot of extra slack. So I'm just going to pull it out a little bit. And then lock it. Try it back on and see if it works. Oh, so cute. So cute. If I can get it to just fit, honey. Ooh, it's fitting snug because of this wig. I still love it though. I'm gonna keep it on. I'm gonna keep it on the rest of the video. Oh, this color, y'all. God, dope. Oh, I love this color. All right, so this is the Hair and Hustle satin lined hat. You know we need that satin up in here, y'all. Y'all know we need that protection. So it says, you're the boss and that's all that matters. Cap it and keep working. These satin lined inspirational hair and hustle hats will keep you looking fresh while you run your errands or handle your business at home. Hello. Here for that. all the way here for that. So it's available in 8 different designs. Loved, minding my business, unapologetic, unbothered, or beautiful. And then you have various colors that makes these 8 different options. Am I showing you correctly? Yes. Super cute. Love this. Yeah. 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 I told you this color ignites me. It just gives me energy. 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 Yeah. I get it from this color right here. Yeah. This color definitely gives me that vibe. Okay. Next. Alright. So I'm not sure what this is. So let me read it first. Oh, cute. It's a wrap leather belt. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I didn't give y'all the retail value of this hat, $24. So it's a wrap leather belt. The retail value is $15, and you have an option of 4 different colors. It says dress it up if you wanna. This leather wrap belt is the perfect accent to your weekend wardrobe. Spice things up and wear it as a headband if you're feeling real fine. It's vegan leather. That's cool. One size, and the colors are burgundy, black, dark brown, or tan. And I have I'm sorry, but this color is not in any of these pictures. So I was like, but what color do I have? I have like in between dark brown and tan. I don't know, y'all. Okay. So I didn't know what to say. I was like, I don't have any of those colors. I have a camel. This is camel to me. Or cognac. That's what I would call this color. Cognac. Cute though. I don't know if I would wear it as a headband. That might be a bit much. I don't think I would do that. I would definitely wear it around my clothes. If I want to have a cinched waist or something. Bring it back around. Cinch that waist, honey. Yes. Ow. That's how I would wear it. Headband, not so sure. These are the colors. And as you can see, my cognac is not on here. So I was like, is this supposed to be dark brown or tan? I'm not sure, but I'm going with cognac. Alright, so next up we have, let me read it first. Down to my socks. It's a 3-pack set and it retails at $20. Keep it chic all autumn long with printed footwear from head to toe. Even your socks can be fierce. Hello. So the themes of the packs are Cultured Queens, Glow On Girl, and Tribal Queen. Now which one do I have? I'm not sure. I can't figure out the difference of the 3 styles, so I'm just going to open it and let you see. I'm not sure. These are cute though. So that's a design. I swear I feel like I've seen that on something. I feel like this might have been like one of the nightgown options last month. I feel that way. And then this print. And then this super cute print. This like makes me think AKA or something. So for all you AKAs, yeah. That's for you. So they're cute though. I do like them. And again, they retail at $20. All right, y'all. So I'm slipping because I would normally open up the t-shirt first. I always say they put a nice, cute t-shirt in every single box. And that's normally the first thing I open. Probably because it wasn't on top. I didn't reach for that first. But it's normally on top. So we're going to open the t-shirt. And let me see if I need to read about it first. It says fierce, fine, and fabulous. And it's actually a long sleeve t-shirt. It's getting a little chilly outside. This retails at $28 and it says keep it cozy and casual. The fall weather is on its way and the Izzy and Liv fierce, fine, and fabulous v-neck long sleeve t-shirt will be perfect for the early morning walks or evenings on the patio. Stay warm and look fly this fall. Relax fit. Hello somebody. I'm here for that. Okay, yeah. Oh, I swear I gotta change my size. Everything is starting to look so big. But it's a cute shirt. And you do get the long sleeves. Love that it's like fall, winter catered. I'm here for that. So I can wear this until like the spring. and be a-okay. I just feel like this is super big though. I gotta change my size in my profile because I had it set at large just because you just, I mean, you just never know. So, you know, I go for bigger so that I won't have too small. But yeah, I think I'm gonna need to change that to medium because yeah, everything is too big. I'm gonna do that immediately. So I've always loved their t-shirts, and not only do I love the sayings, I usually always love the designs. But in addition to that, their shirts are so freaking soft and comfortable. It is not that like hard, itchy. It is super soft. I have not had a disappointment with these shirts, man. I mean, like, they're some of my favorite shirts actually. And I wear a ton of t-shirts, y'all. Like, I love t-shirts. But theirs are the softest. Oh my goodness, they are so soft. All right, so the last item, but definitely not least, are, let's read it first. We got Too Cute to Lounge Around stretch leggings. When I tell y'all this is like my everyday wear, honey, I like to be comfortable. I think I've reached that age where I prefer comfort over, I ain't gonna say over cuteness, because even when I'm comfortable, I'm still cute. I just like comfort. So these are comfortable stretch leggings. They retail at $25, and there are an option of 9 different designs. Oh, my mom's here. Let me hurry up. So I do feel like this particular design that I saw as an option for the nightgown in the September box. At least it appears that way. It looks familiar to me. But it's super cute, and it has culture, soul, confidence. I'm just trying to read some of the words here. I think that's all I see. Culture, soul, and confidence. Yeah. Super cute. I would definitely rock these. Love these colors. Super cute. Yep, we'll be wearing those. And these are super soft too, y'all. Like, I don't know what fabric and material they're using, but whew, I love it. Super soft. All right, y'all, so that's all the items included in the box. The total retail for this month's box is $112. That's the retail value. Now I only pay $39.95 to get this box every month. You can skip a month anytime you choose. I think I might have skipped 1 month so far, and then I dove right back in. But you do have that option. Hi, Mother. Mom just arrived as I'm recording. But you do have that option. So yeah, that's it for the month of October. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's unboxing. Let me know what your favorite item was down in the comments below. She's distracting me. I'm sorry, so I'm laughing. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.